What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at math operators in Java programming. Now there are many math operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also we can find out the remainder. Now let's see all of that. First I'm going to introduce an integer type of variable, and before that I have to use scanner to get the input from the user. But here we don't need scanner since we are not getting the input from the user. It's not necessary, so let's get rid of this. You can also get the input from the user and do this, but here I'm going to just do the addition directly, so we don't need that one. So let's introduce some integer type of variable. Integer girls, boys, people, and these are the three variables I'm going to use. Girls, let's say girls is equal to 6, and then boys is equal to 3. After that, people is equal to girls plus boys, and to print out the people value, I'm going to use system out statement. System out print line people. Okay, that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Here you can see we are getting 9 because 6 plus 3 is 9. Now let's do the multiplication. To do the multiplication, you have to use the asterisk sign, and if you multiply, you will get 18. You should get 18. So we are getting 18 right here. And to do the division, we should use backslash. If you use backslash, you get 2. And to do the subtraction, we just put minus 6 minus 3. Should be 3. Okay, and to find out the remainder, we have to just use this sign. Okay, that's modulus. Okay, that's when you run this one, you get 0 because 6. If you divide 6 by 3, there's nothing left. For example, let's say we have 11 divided by 3. We know that 11 divided by 3, we have 2 remainder. We should get a remainder of 2. Okay, now let's see what happens if we divide 11 by 3. When you divide 11 by 3, you are getting 3, but we know that it should be 3 point something because it's not showing the point value because we introduced this one as integer type of variable. But to get the decimal points, you have to use double. If you use double, you will get the decimal values as well. So when you do right now, you get 3.66. And that's all about math operators in Java programming, and I'm going to make more videos in Java programming. I hope you watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.